Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Alright, let's begin. Transferring money from PayPal is simple. You can choose a free transfer, which takes up to 3 days, or an instant transfer with a small fee. First, open the PayPal app. Before transferring, ensure your bank account is linked. To do this, tap the wallet icon at the bottom right. You will see your PayPal balance and any linked accounts. If no account is linked, tap Add New, select Banks, then search for and link your bank using your login details. Once your bank is connected, tap your PayPal balance. Below it, you will see two options, Add Money and Transfer. Select Transfer and then tap Transfer to Bank. On the next screen, you will see two transfer options, Free Transfer, which takes 1 to 3 days, or Instant Transfer for a small fee. If you need to change the transfer amount, tap the edit icon next to the balance and enter your desired amount. Choose the correct bank account, then tap Transfer. For an instant transfer, select In Minutes. Keep in mind that the fee is 1.75% with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $1.25. Once you confirm, the transfer will process and you will receive your money based on the selected option. So that's basically how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.